Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to create a drop down list with ASP.NET using Angular. Now you see a window that had select country, then select state and select city. Okay. When we select country, then open city, then again select city and open select state and open city. Okay, fine. I'm going to my editor Visual Studio 2019 and stop this running. Continue. Okay, at first stop. Then this is my CSS, like index CSS HTML, index.cshtml. This is the simple code. Here is this my code, and I had used Angular, and this is Angular controller as like Angular.js. This is JavaScript, Angular JavaScript file, script and Angular.js. This one is okay, and Angular controller scripts. Okay, scripts, Angular controller. Inside Angular controller, this address.css is address.css. Okay, fine. Then this is my app name, and this is ng controller name. Then I just create a simple div controller and a row. This is just selected row 1, 2 and 3. At first I just select like I got my all country here. This is select option, and this is ng model name as like you select option name. Okay, this is ng model name is country, or you as like country ID. Then ng changes get status. Okay, go to address.js as like Angular file. Okay, fine. Here var app Angular model. This is my app name, this is controller name, and when get method call address get countries, we just case all countries as like use controller. This is address controller. Here get countries. Okay, fine. Just simple. At first we just call my db. So models. Okay, fine. This is model, and this is my database call, and this is my connection name. Okay, fine. And web config. This is connection string. This is connection. This is my database the connection name and data source. This is server name and MC code. This is my database name. Then security provider name. Okay, fine. Controller. Okay, I just call database and index file is like index.cshtml. Then public JSON result get countries bar. This is variable name get country. If you change this name, any name, okay, then db. This is variable name db, and under db new project db as like my model. Okay, then db dot countries is my model name, then to list. Okay, countries all data get here get countries. So then JSON result countries JSON request view hello get. Okay, so we just get it, and then return and then return index css country, select country, and data ng repeat countries. Okay, fine. Countries is scope. This is countries. This country's response data. This country's cache all data from controller, and just here countries in city. Okay, city country ID. This is country name. Fine. When I change country, then this country name get stats. Okay, fine. Get stats. This is get stats function. Then country ID var character is of country. This is country. Here I get country ID. Okay, this is country ID. Country, I get country ID. Then HTTP request method post address. This is address controller and get stats JSON data. CID as like country ID equal to country ID. This property name. Okay, then we get all state inside state. This is inside its variable controller. Then get states int ID, then CID country ID. Okay, DB stats model as like stats table database where country's ID is equal to country ID. Then select new x dot state ID and state name to list. Then JSON get JSON request behavior same to same this state as like get cities same. Okay, go to address.js. Okay, fine. Then same function call here get state then state ID var address get states, then SID is equal to state ID, then scope cities. Okay, fine. Go to CSS.html. Here is this is div. Here I just call ng hide not state like if no got no state, then this is hide, and this div get cache states, then this is view. Okay, ng model is like name state or state ID. You just change this, then get change ng change. When I change this state, then get cities. This called cities. Okay, get city. Then option value, this is null, no problem. Option ng repeat states in std state ID and state name. Here view again. Then when I change state, then view cities. Okay, ng hide not cities. This is city model and in cities. It's just different way. This two one is same and this is different way. I view data. User, if you like this way, data view is like here. I just here apply different way. If you like this way, you just use this way all field. Okay, fine. ng options x city ID and city name for cities. Okay, this is cities for cities, then here cities. Okay. Now again we play. Then at far before play this, open this project, I just view SQL server. This is SQL server. Okay, fine. Connect database MVC Create tables. Okay, fine. This is countries. cities. Okay, fine. Cities, state, edits, is problem, edit top rows. Okay, this country's ID, name, and cities, states ID, city ID is like is primary key. This is primary key, this is foreign key, and this is city name. Okay, country's ID is simple. Okay, this is primary key and country name. Okay, this is my database. Okay, go to my editor and open this again. At first I select a country, okay, Bangladesh, then view, select a state. Okay, when I select a state, and then view city, state as like Borishal, then view cities, Borishal city, Bhola. Okay, fine. This way you just create a simple cascading drop-down system ASP.NET using Angular. Thanks for watching this video.